Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. This is the factory for the Blue Baron, and we're as busy as always, whether we'll be building new accessories. We're actually coming out with a poly, very much similar to the 316 stainless, but it's built in poly board. It'll be cheaper to purchase, but still the same high quality. And we are just straight out busy, just coming out with new ideas. And our patented heat exchanger, we've been selling a lot to the industry, especially to John Dunn and Aramco and many end users. Now this is a fully finished compact 45. It's going to Paso Robles, California, and we're going to be palletizing it very soon after we did the pressure test and the heat test on it. And as you can see, I mean, look at this. Nobody builds headers in the industry like Blue Baron. Nobody builds quarter plate like Blue Baron, okay? Everything is just well organized, easy breathe, open concept, easy to get to the components, easy to change out belts. You can get high pressure with this, so you're going to get over 2,000 pounds pressure, no problem. Why? Those coils are 3,500 pounds pressure rated. Competition only has that cheap throwaway copper tube and fin, which is only good for about 1,000 to 1,200 tops for PSI. So why limit your truck mount? I mean, we could just start out by saying this is a pressure washer carpet and tile cleaning machine. I mean, that might even be a better description. I mean, look at this. Beautiful front panel. Everything, you know, got a lot of stainless here. We got a 4MR Sudafed blower. We're also using the Ewers blowers, which are very compatible to Roots and Sudafed. So whatever we can get a hold of that's of high quality, we'll use. I've been 45 years in this industry. I know how to build a truck mount. I'm going into my 19th year of manufacturing. And we use Kohler engines. We've been getting a lot of these 27 horse Kohlers. Are great for torque and reliability and power and also heat generation. So as you can see, it's just a well laid out truck mount, and we've just been very busy helping people out in this economy, and we're coming out with prices unmatched by competition. Quality, performance, and pricing is why we're so busy, and plus I've been doing this for so long. And if the industry doesn't have something that available or at a reasonable price, we'll build it. So we come out with the side mounted type of inline filter boxes. We're coming out with the poly, which is a lighter material, but it's very thick, as you can see. And that will also be, we'll have clamps at the bottom that allow you to mount it at the bottom of the truck. And, you know, we just come out with so many nice ways of giving to this industry great equipment, great accessories. The Blue Baron also comes in the SE series as well, which is a wider template. Base frame is basically much wider, but by 10 inches. So, like I said, we sold a lot of compact 45s. People love what we're doing, the quality. The new manifold we came out with a simplistic design, more condensed in its plumbing, so there's less that can actually leak. Everything's just well built. And the 316L polished, high grade, TIG welded header. Nobody builds these headers like we do. We have our own special way we do them. Belt guards. And this heater is very dependable for access of heat. So over 2,200 PSI, no problem. Up to 3,000, no problem on different models depending on the flow rate of your AR pump. But this machine is capable of over 2,200 PSI. It's got a really nice water box. Very well laid out. A lot of air can flow through this so that you know you're going to get the most for your money, lasting a longer time. And this 4MR blower, 2.5 pipe in, 2.5 pipe out through the silencer. Custom silencer, look at that. And it acoustically really dampens the sound decibels resonating through your lobes of your blower. but at the same time, it's well balanced so that it doesn't obstruct airflow either. So you get maximum pull and performance in CFM at the same time. We got a way to dump the oil. Same thing for your pump oil. 12-volt accessory for your pump out or your demand pump. Again, stainless braided hoses, high quality hoses all the way through, bar stock, not those cast fittings, stuff that actually lasts a long time. We want these machines to last a long time. So the belts, well, we don't have any of those cheap rubber couplers that bust in the middle of a job. We have very high quality B-size belts. We have people that go 5 years before they actually have to change out the belts. So this system can be run and run. Again, you got to take care of it, change the oil, do all the maintenance on it, but it'll be your best friend when it comes to making money in today's times. And we're just real happy with what we've been doing for the last almost 19 years. I mean, it's been busy. You know, we've been really busy building heaters. And just look us up at truckmountstore.com 24/7. We also have another site which has been in existence since 2005, which is linked in the upper part of the navigation at the very top of the Truck Mount Store. We have over 300 videos, and to see all the things that we've been building over the years, call us today at 727-505-2989, and we look forward to hearing from you. This is going to Paso Robles, California next week, and we're going to be pressure testing it and heat testing it as well. We'll have video on it as well for this unit. Thank you.